Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani. Thank you so very much for taking your precious time to watch this video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. So let's get started. Well guys, I am here to share a garage sale with you guys. And guys, I'm telling you, this garage sale did not disappoint this weekend. Garage sailing is, I think, probably my favorite way of saving money or getting really great deals. So I'm not gonna ramble anymore. Let's get into the video. Now the yard sale that I went to, the lady, she was actually moving, and I really got some great deals. The first item I got was this display cap. Now guys, I like to wear caps, especially in the winter time. It's colder. I got this for 25 cents. The next item that I got is clothing. Actually, they're tops. I got 4. This actually is one of them, and I paid 50 cents for each piece. And they've already been washed. This is the second one. I mean, I just love the sequence on this. Just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, I paid 50 cents. The next one is this loft. T-shirts is like in a gray and cream. That too was 50 cents. And the final one says California Skies. California Skies. Okay. And for this total sale, or this total garage sale haul, I think I paid either $25 or $26. Okay, the next item I got was, you know, my love for mugs. I got this mug here that says, I am the boss. And it's by 10 Strawberry Street. And I paid 50 cents for this as well. I got this table runner. It's in like a cream and white. It's really long. I'd probably say 6 feet, and I paid only $1. Next, I got some Bath and Body Works body lotion, and it was only 25 cents. I got this little horse piggy bank. I will be spray painting it, changing the color, and as you can see right here, it was only $2. Guys, the next item I got was this mannequin. Is that what you call this? But anyway, it's just to I'm going to display it in my office. I am going to be spray painting it. Right now it's black. I might spray paint it gray so it match my office. And I paid 50 cents. The next item I got was this shoe. It's in gray. Thought it was kind of cute. And it was only 10 cents. I got these 3 packs of Post-its, and I only paid 10 cents. I got some hairpins with a little bit of bling, and that too was 10 cents. This also was 10 cents. And it came from Kirkland, and it was originally $6.99. So for 10 cents, that was an awesome deal. I got this L. Again, my name has nothing to do with L, but I was thinking that I would resell this. I do have a store online that I sell some stuff on. So I was thinking I could probably sell this, and I paid $1. I got 2 of these. They're brand new, still in the plastic. And I paid, you see that? 50 cents for each one. Okay, I got these. This one, I got this lampshade. It's in a gray. And I paid, you can see that, 50 cents. And this other one, I mean, it still has a tag on it. It's still in the plastic. It came from Home Goods. She bought it for $12 and I paid 50 cents. I mean, it's like in excellent condition. It's like it's never even been used. This sells online. I looked it up on Amazon. This sells for $49.99 brand new. And I paid $5. Okay, the next item I got is this. It's a candle holder with, you know, this bling going all around. I asked her if she would take $5 for it, but she did. So I got 8 of these for $5. This item that I got, I mean, it was brand new. Looks like she ordered some samples. I literally opened up the box. I mean, it's just too heavy for me to lift. So I got 7 of these. I mean, absolutely nothing wrong with it. These are samples from Sherwin-Williams. Normally they sell for $5 a sample. I got each one for 10 cents. So I got 7 of those. Awesome, awesome deal. And then the last 2 items I got, I just took them out the box. They've never been used. I got 2 of them. She wanted 2 for $4. I asked her if she would take $3. She did. So I got 2 of these. I looked it up on Amazon. The cheapest one I saw on Amazon was $21, and they go up as high as $40. So 2 for $3. Okay, here's the other one. Got 2 of these. I also got 4 plates. They're by Vertex. You can see that here. Never heard of them, but I got 4 of these. I got like this really small one, and then this next size up, as well as these 2 are the same, which is really why I got them. You know, I can set, you know, 2 the same, and then the other 2 I can do in a different plate. But I thought it was really, really cute, and I got all 4 for 50 cents. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. As always, it gives me great pleasure to serve you guys by making this video. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Guys, I just want to let you know that every Monday and Wednesday I will upload a new video. So if you want to make sure you get to see those videos, be sure to subscribe. Also, if you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure to turn on that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Again guys, thank you so very much for watching. Everybody be blessed. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.